Hello everyone. In tutorial 1, we had briefly discussed about scheduling a lesson for a particular class and uploading video, assignment and files in that particular scheduled lesson. We can also upload files and add assignment without scheduling a lesson. Let us discuss about that in this tutorial. Okay, as we have discussed in the previous tutorial, we can go to that particular class from my courses. You can choose your class. I'm choosing 9ping. Okay, here we can see all the files related to 9ping science. Okay, here we can see the schedule, like what we had discussed before. We can see the schedule. Here we can see the video, the assignment that was already given, the test document. We can see all the, if there is any comment from the students or the teachers, we can see also here. Okay, then here this one, the green symbol shows that it is already published. It was published on Thursday, 2nd April. It shows that it is already published. Okay, again we can make it private by clicking on the private link. And then here we can see, as discussed in the previous tutorial, we can see the 3 dots. From here again we can add the attendance or lesson plan. We can add the assignment. If you want to add one more assignment, we can add it here. We can, if you want to attach more files, we can do it here. If you want to remove the lesson, we can do it here also. Okay, then I'm going through only the main options over here. So I'm skipping grades, grade books and all. It is not so important, so I'm skipping it. So let us see the assignments. We can, in the previous tutorial we have discussed how to upload the assignment from the scheduled lesson. Here we are not scheduling a lesson. Here just we are going to the particular class and we are just uploading the assignment without scheduling a lesson. Okay, here by clicking on the assignment, before that we can see how we can add a new assignment. Here we can see various options: add new, grades assessment, skills assessment, quiz. All these we can discuss about this later, as we are not using it right now. So let us go to assignment. So when you click on the assignment, this will open. We can give the title for that assignment. I'm just putting as trial assignment. Okay, if you want to give any instructions to the students, we can give the instruction, and then you can choose how they have to submit, by using system, where they have to submit in the class, or how it is. If you don't want to specify, you can write it's not required. Okay, it's better to choose, as I already told you in the previous video, it's better to choose by using system, so that we can keep a record of who is submitting and who is not submitting. We can take a report. I will show you how to take the report and all. You can take all those things. So it's better to submit by using the system. Then attaching the files. We can attach one file or more than one file. Okay, let us see how to attach a file. Okay. Okay, online lesson. Then for grade 9, if I want to choose a worksheet, okay, here I'm choosing a worksheet for, like, we can choose either some students need it as Word file and some students need it as a PDF file. So you can choose both files. First you can choose this one. So this file has been attached, and again if you want to choose the PDF file, you can choose it again. You can attach the PDF file also, so that the students can download any of these files for their use. The next important thing about this is a mandatory field, that is submission date. The instructions is not mandatory, we can leave it if you don't want to include it, but the submission date is mandatory. If you do not write the submission date, we cannot go further. So we can choose the submission date. Okay, I'm choosing the submission date as 13th. Okay, I have chosen the submission date. And same thing, if I want to add, if I'm teaching in 9ping as well as 900 science, so if I want to add files in 900 also, same files. Okay, so I don't have to go to 900 and choose these files and all. We can do it same. We can do the same thing here also. That means we can attach the file from here. So for that we can click on add course, then choose class 9 break. I have chosen the class. The same thing, I have put the submission date. If you want to change the submission date, you can change it here. Okay, and then we can save it. Okay, here now we have uploaded the assignment. Okay, then if you want to see the assignment that we have submitted, you can see it over here. See, this was the assignment that I have already submitted before, and this is the assignment that I have submitted now, that is trial assignment. Okay, so we can, from here we can see like published time, when it was published. This was published today, and the due date, when it should be submitted, and then how it should be submitted, and the title, what is the title of that particular assignment. Okay, then if you click on this one, we can see those who have submitted the assignment by using the system, as well as those who have not submitted. Here we can see that these students have submitted the assignment. Okay, and here if you see, click on not submitted, we can see these students have not yet submitted by using this system. Okay, some of them have sent me by using WhatsApp, but it will show as not delivered, because not submitted, because they have not submitted by using the system. So please encourage the students to submit by using the system, so that we can keep a record, like who has submitted, who has not submitted, so that it will be easy for us. Okay, here this was a file that I had uploaded, and then here we can see delete assignment, update assignment. Here this is a description, means this is the instruction that we had provided when we have instructions that we have written when uploading the assignment. Okay, this is a description shown here, and then this is a submission date that is also clearly mentioned here, and then here we can see that the download, that means we can see the file that student has uploaded for us. So if you click on download, you can see the file that the student has uploaded. See, this is the answered worksheet. Okay, and then here if you want to update the assignment, like if you want to make changes, any changes to the assignment, we can update it over here. Like if you want to change the title, or if you want to change the attached file, you can delete it and you can attach it again, or if you want to change the submission date, you can change everything over here. Okay, after that you can save it. And then if you want to delete the assignment, there is an option for deleting assignment also. If you have already submitted, and if you want to delete the assignment, you can delete the assignment over here. Here, see, I have, for the trial assignment, I had submitted both Word file as well as PDF file, and you can see it over here. Okay, and then we can see, okay, and then we can see that I have already told you that we had added course, so we can check in 9.0 whether the file is available. I had submitted the assignment here also, so I am checking in 9.0 whether it is there. See, the same thing that I have uploaded in 9ping, it is also here. Okay, so if you want to submit in both the classes at a time, we can use the add course option, as I have already told you. Okay, same thing, you can see everything over here. Okay, now hope you're clear with the assignment. Now we can check about like how to like add the files, exams and announcement. Now let's go back to 9ping. Okay, exams and announcements, I'm not getting into it because we are not using it right now, so we can discuss about it later. This is the next main thing about this option is files, like how to upload a file. Here we can see all the files that we have uploaded. All the files that we have uploaded, we can see it over here. In order to upload a file, we can see it over here. See, add new. We have discussed about adding an assignment. Now we can see how to add a file. Okay, we can add a title and just trial notes. I'm writing as trial notes. I'm going to, here for the file type, you can choose as, there is various options like attachment portfolio. Out of these options, we can choose it as course material. Other options you can go through. And then if you want to give any instructions, you can type it over here. Then you can you can choose who want to see your assignment or files, like students, teachers, parents. We can choose all this, and then you can attach the files. Here also you can attach more than one file. Okay, I'm choosing a random file. I'm just choosing a file. Okay, I'm just choosing worksheet again. Okay, even you can attach a video. You can also attach a video from here. Okay, and then again, as I discussed before, we can add course, and then you can choose 900, and then that means the same thing will be in the files of 900 also. So if you want to delete it, you can delete it, and if you want to attach some other file, see, I wanted to add notes. I wrongly did as worksheet. If you want to change it, you can add it as notes. Okay, you have uploaded it, and then you can check it again, everything is fine. Then you can save it. Okay, I had uploaded a file. See, trial notes, it came here. You can see here. Again, we can check in 900 if it is there or not. We can just check it. You can go to files. See, the whatever I had uploaded in 9ping, it also came here. You can see the trial that was uploaded today. Okay, hope you are clear with this. Let us go back to 9ping. Okay, now one more thing is that if you want to delete the file, that means we can add both the files together, but if you want to delete, if you are deleting in 9ping, it doesn't mean the file will be deleted also in 900. Okay, if you want to delete in 900, you have to go to 900 and delete it. That means I'm going to delete all these files. I don't want this trial assignment. I'm going to delete it. Okay, you can delete it over here. Also, I don't want this file. I'm also deleting this. I don't want trial notes. I deleted it over here. Let us check whether the same file is getting deleted in 9ping also. Okay, let us go to files. Here we can see that none of the files got deleted. All the files are here itself. I deleted in 900, but it is not getting deleted in 9ping. Hope this is clear. If you want to delete the files, you have to go to both 9ping and 900, both the classes, and then you have to delete it. Okay, then you can delete it. I don't want it here, so I'm deleting it. Okay, then we can go through the different options. Like we can see here, if you want to see the video, you can click it over here. Good morning, dear students. Let us begin the You can see the video over here. Okay, and then if you want to see the notes also, we can see the notes over here. You can see the notes. Okay, and then this is for like downloading or save. If you want to save it, we can save it from here. The next we can see from here, like watchers, how many have watched the video. This is to track like more, we don't know which students are watching the lesson. We cannot monitor from here, right? So in order to see which students are watching the video, I don't know how much updated it is, I'm not sure about it, but we can see from here how many are watching the video. If we click on this, we can see that like how many students have watched the video, when they have watched the video, like first access and when is the last access, and how many times they have watched the video. Okay, and here we can see those who have not watched the video. Also we can get the Excel from here. Okay, if you go to watchers, we can, when you click on Excel, so we can open it. Okay, so we can see the report like this. Okay, we can see the report like those how many, you can get it as a report. Okay, then let us go back. Hope you are clear with this, and then go back. Okay, this is about files, how to upload a file, how to download a file, how to delete a file, and then option is about message. Okay, the message is same as we have discussed in the tutorial 1. Like we can, the same thing that we have same icon. If you click on the home page, on the top part of home page, same thing, the same options are here also. That means we can add users, we can choose the teacher. If you want to select a teacher, you can choose the teacher, and if you want to select a student, we can select a student, and you can message. Okay, if you continue, if you click on, I want to message a teacher, if you click on continue, then you can type a message and send it. Okay, then about conference, it's like we have to discuss more about conference. So regarding conference, we'll discuss it in the upcoming video. Okay, about scheduling and how to, like how are the features of conference, we'll discuss later. Hope you have got some idea about adding files without scheduling a lesson. Okay, please provide your feedback. Thank you.